Hey folks, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. So, a little bit of Kelly's loving leftovers. So had some leftover sausage from the other night. And eggs, some peppers, onions, potatoes, cheese. What are we making? Breakfast burritos and fried potatoes. So, yeah. So that's what we're doing. So Kelly pre-cut some stuff for me, which was really nice. It's great. I am going to cut them down just a little bit more.
Well, it's because I cut them as if we were having burritos, not breakfast.
Yeah. But that's because. So what I'm going to do is saute the onions and the peppers first. That's okay, because I got some I can have for a snack.
Mm-hmm.
So while I'm kind of doing this, I'm going to go over and preheat some of my. Oops, trip over my foot.
Brody. No, honey. No. So we had a good time on Saturday meeting a bunch of other YouTubers from Manitoba, eh?
Yes, we did.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go through the list.
Oh, good Lord.
I don't you say the word. I want to try and remember.
Forgive him if he forgets anybody.
Yeah, well, I'm sure my wife will remind me.
No, because my memory's awful for names.
So we had Drive Shaft Drew.
Yep.
Mudnut 49.
Yep.
Laser
40.
Trying to think of the guy that was beside him. His name was Drew too, I think, wasn't it? No. Trying to remember. I'll remember.
Oh yeah. And there was
Something
Callie.
Yeah. Was it Cody or? Oh boy.
We should have wrote these down before we started. Oh my gosh.
Well, go watch her video because everybody introduced. Oh, and Winnipeg Car Guy.
Winnipeg Car Life.
Or Life and Off. What was?
Well,
we didn't actually
Off-road driver.
Off-road driver. We didn't actually meet him.
He was coming when we were leaving.
We were leaving. Yeah.
Yeah. And Callie.
Callie.
Beauty Canada. Yeah.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, what was his name? Sorry.
Started with the C. Well, look in your purse. You got the.
Oh, I do too.
We got a.
We got stickers.
Stickers.
Oh my gosh, guys, forgive us. Well, when you meet Corkboard TV, I knew that.
Yeah.
And it's Mudnut 59, not 49.
Okay. 59, because I'm guessing that's probably the year he was born. So
I don't know, but don't age somebody you don't know.
Corkboard TV. Drive Shaft Drew. And Mudnut 59. Like I said, Laser 40, and yeah. So we had a good time. It was a little chilly, but
we'll start doing it in June.
Yeah.
Yep. Pretty excited to get to know them and.
Yes.
Okay, you're back on.
Okay.
My daughter just called my phone and interrupted. I told you we need a camera and not my phone.
Yeah. Well, who knows? Christmas is around the corner.
I'm been looking on. Where's your phone?
Sure, you've been looking. It's in my pocket.
Well, open
There you
it
go.
so I can phone your daughter back.
Yeah, give me a minute.
Yeah, I've been on Amazon and I've been on Canex and I've been looking.
Oh, I'm sure you have been.
I know. I have been looking.
Yeah.
Breakfast burritos. We haven't had these in a long time.
No.
You're gonna get eggshell in
No,
our.
I'm not.
Now he's trying to show off, guys.
You show off.
That wasn't very dainty.
No, because the shell was cracking too much.
Oh, that's funny.
All right. So I gotta get the butter melted.
Does stuff smell good, Brody? Does everything smell good? Yeah. Yeah. All right, let me bring you over. Let's have a look. Yummy. Put some of the onions in the taters. Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta put more butter in here.
Yeah. Put some onions in the taters. Tim, you want to come to my house and have taters?
Huh.
I know. Amy doesn't always make them for you. Oh, everything smells so good. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There's Mr. Brody down there. Brody, say hi. Say no, Daddy might drop something.
Not an onion.
Nope. Mummy's been teasing you all day, haven't I? Because I was prepping this for Daddy. Yeah. I know, I was teasing. Alright, what are you doing to the eggs? Putting a drop of milk?
Yep.
Yum, yum. Don't be splashing everywhere. Messy people, I'm telling you.
Where's my dishcloths?
They're dirty. I got rid of them.
Ah. Well, then put another one out.
All right, we'll bring you back when we're a little bit closer to done and show you. Let's go over and take a peek at what Kevin's doing over here. Ooh, looking yummy. I love a good crisp on my potatoes too. Alright. Well, just about ready. Bring it back when we're plating it up.
Okay. Eggs are done.
Mmm. Yummy.
Okay, personally, I hate wrap it.
I'll wrap it.
Okay.
But
Kelly will
cheese
wrap.
food
Oh, yeah.
first. And we start at the end.
Yes, dear.
Tuck one side over. And roll.
Yeah.
And then it's so messy you eat it with a knife and a fork anyway.
More than likely. Nice crispy potato.
Mm-hmm.
Done in what, dear? Butter.
Mm-hmm.
Not
Yum, yum.
oil.
Yum, yum.
Because oil just makes them go soggy. They never crispen up properly. All right.
All right, let's see you take one bite.
Well,
He likes the crisps on the
no,
bottom.
I just want to get it.
Oh, because he does. He likes.
Well, I do, but I just want to get this straight before it gets cold.
Mhm.
Or it's too hard to.
Yes, it is election day here in Canada.
Yeah. Okay.
Take a bite without burning yourself.
Well, I would if somebody would have wrapped this tighter.
No, I wrapped it. You didn't even attempt. So there you go.
You're the one that works at Tim Hortons, not me. Yummy.
Yummy.
So that's it. Breakfast burritos with leftover sausage and potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks for joining. I have no idea what I'm making for next week. So okay. Anyways, have a good day.